Quick video on the Servo eliminator location. I couldn't find any videos for the 2023 or 2022 Streetfigher V2. Here's mine. It's green. We're on the kickstand side. There's the panel you remove. And down here is where you'll find it. You can see I've got the device already installed, and I have no lighting. Anyway, this is the device. It extends to here. Here you have the factory wiring plugged in. Off this bracket here, it's normally located here. This is the OE wire plug. I have the optional, what do you call it? Plug for the plug. Once you disconnect the black one, the black side, with a tiny screwdriver, you will plug your unit into the factory loom that normally plugs into here. Then replace with the topper. And just FYI, there are several screws that have to be removed to get this panel off. So it's a naked bike that's not really naked. That is all.